friends, welcome back. Today is a Friday, and by the way, happy Friday. And we know what it means, right? Well, obviously, weekend is coming up, but also it means that I'm going to post a new video on AI tips, tools, and news, right? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic avatar reveal using ChatGPT and some other AI tools, right? Well, not tools really, like environment. So for that, you only need the Deep Brain AI Studio. You just need to create an account in this website that you see here. I'll put a description. I put a link in the description so that you can easily access this website. Okay, you may ask, hey, why am I gonna even need like a avatar video thingy? Well, first of all, you're using, let's say you want to create some content, right? You want to make a presentation or something like that. It's using ChatGPT to create the content, which is like very useful. You know, we all know how useful ChatGPT can be in answering the questions and giving us some content. But also, let's say you don't want it to be your face or your voice, right? So that's like where it comes in handy. Like you can actually use this, create your own avatar. Well, not create, but like use a lot of like options that they provide for your avatars and create a video with that. And it's like really, really realistic as we will see in a few minutes. Um, so anyway, let's actually get started here. So this is the Deep Brain AI Studio website, and I have an account, so I'm just gonna log into my account here. And this is basically the dashboard. This is still loading, so let's just give it a few seconds until it loads properly and fully. And it gives you like a few options. It says that you can use ChatGPT, you can use this. I will be just focusing on the ChatGPT. So click on the ChatGPT button here, and it gives you this, right? And you can actually write a prompt here. This is like where ChatGPT comes in. You type something, you ask a question, or I don't know, whatever you need to do in here, and ChatGPT provides an answer, right? So we can just go here, be like, hey, I don't know, how can I, let's do this. How can I become a better computer, uh, computer programmer, right? So this is a question that I want to ask. And the second step is that you have to select a template, right? Like they give you some templates, which you can obviously change later. But yeah, anyway, like we can select that. Let's say I just gonna go with this one in here, or this one doesn't really matter. Like we just stick with this one, create, and it takes a few minutes to generate the video. Just gonna wait. Okay, it did something. Now we have something in here, right? We have like the general idea in here. You can see the text in here, right? And which says computer program is complex and ever evolving field. So you need to do this and that. So this is just a basic reply from ChatGPT. You can obviously modify this. Like, can be like, hey, first, subscribe to my channel, right? And two, do this. And then you can like add stuff in here. So one, and then like add a pause in here, and two, like add a pause in here as well. And like obviously like put anything that you want here. There is like, I'm using the free version, and I haven't really paid for the subscription or anything. That's why I'm limited to like 1,000 words. And also I'm stuck with this watermark thingy in the middle of the screen. Well, for the video that it generates, so you can like get rid of that unless you pay for it, obviously. But you can play with it if you liked it, and you can look at the subscription fees and stuff. And if you were okay with that, you can actually do that. But here we just want to like do something together, like have an experience, you know, and see if you like it or not. So the first step is that like you can go to the templates and obviously change your templates, right? Few templates we saw in the previous step before generating the like this whole idea in here. But like you can keep playing with this and then just like choose the one that you like the best. Let's stick with this one. And then the second thing is that you can go here to the model section. These are all the AI avatars, right? They are from different races and ethnicities, and you can choose whichever you're happy with. So like, I could just like go use Danielle instead. So this is like how you change that, and then like you can also like it's super cool. Like you can actually change a lot of things. Like this is Danielle avatar, and then, like you can play with that. Be like, okay, just use the sky blue. Okay, it's just like more casual probably. Uh, and then like you can go to the text. You can add like a title, subtitle, and play with these, or like you can just like basically double click here and then like start typing something in here as you wish. And let's put it back to what it was, the introduction. Um, and then like you can basically like move them around as well. Like if I select this, and I can be like, okay, like I want it to be here or there, like change the position in the screen. And then like if you go to the media, it gives you some options. So if you are not happy with the background, like if I go here and let's say, um, I don't know, I'm not really happy with the background, I'm just gonna go to media and be like, yeah, I want to use this instead, right? So it's gonna add that to your presentation. And so whatever layer, like it's now covering like the face, so we can obviously select your avatar, right click on it, go to layer position, and go bring to front, right? And things like that. You can basically do the same here. Layer position, bring to front, and obviously like for this one as well, bring to front. And anyway, once you're happy with that, right? And it's working for you, you like you be happy with everything that you have here. You can just click here, generate your video. And once you generate the video, we can actually like try that. It doesn't really look that good, but let's see. That's not what I meant to do. I just wanted to change this guy. So if I do this, so this is how it's gonna look. And I'm just gonna see what else we have here. So if I click in here, I'm just gonna go remove seam because like this is what we have now. These are the previous ones. It's okay, remove scene here as well, and then this guy also remove scene, right? So this is what we ended up with. This is like we're super happy with this, let's say, and now we just go generate, and okay, generate the video. And as I said, like before, because I'm using the free version, it says approximately 13 credits are needed to export the video. And I don't have that. That's okay because before, doing this video, I was trying to do it once for myself to make sure that I understand everything before trying to teach you. I can show you the output from like one of the previous ones that I did, which is this guy in here, right? I followed basically the same steps for this video and I generated this. Like this guy is also here, but as you see, there is no, like if I go here, it says video play. I don't have that option in here because obviously didn't have enough credits, and it actually says here that like 0 seconds remaining. But here is an example of it, right? Like I can show you an example and you see that it works and how it works. So if I go video play,
avatars can be used for a variety of purposes, including customer service, education, entertainment, and personal companionship. These avatars can be programmed to understand human language and respond intelligently, making them an increasingly popular choice for businesses and individuals alike.
okay, so that was just an example. So you saw an avatar and like the face was like very real, like the lips were actually like saying the words. And I found it really cool. So I thought that I'd probably want to share that with you guys. You might as well like use it and try to enjoy that. And I personally liked it, and I may or may not actually pay for subscriptions and start using it. It's just like a cool experience. Maybe just like use it for months or something. Um, you can see the rates that they have here. So for starter, which is like probably what I need, it's like a $24 per month. and it shows you what you get out of it as well. So I may or may not actually try this. Could be a cool experience, but up to you totally. That's it for today. I really hope that you enjoy this content, and thank you for watching me. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me, and also not to miss the next videos when I upload them. You guys enjoy the rest of your day, and if you're listening to this on a Friday, enjoy the weekend, or if it's already on the weekend, enjoy the rest of the weekend, and you guys have a good time. Take care, and thank you for watching me. Bye bye.